In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for developing fintech applications. This guide explains how to set up your project structure and generate secure boilerplate code necessary for creating a scalable and maintainable fintech app. Begin by organizing your project structure. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Use the command min-g-drsr to create the main source folder. Next, create subdirectories for backend, frontend, models, utils, tests, docs, and config by entering the following commands: usr/backend, mechadir/models, mechadir/utils, mechadir/utils, mechadir/source, 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 mechadir/source. This structure will help you maintain a clear separation of your app's components. Now that your project structure is set up, the next step is to generate secure boilerplate code using Claude Code -task. Generate secure boilerplate -task. Generate express.js backend for fintech app with secure routes, account management, and transaction logging. This command will create a robust backend that includes essential services for managing accounts and logging transactions. After executing this command, check for any confirmation messages indicating successful generation. For the front end, generate the necessary components by running Claude Code -task, generate React front end for fintech app with login, dashboard, and transaction forms. This will provide a user interface that includes features such as a login page, a dashboard for account management, and forms for transaction handling. Verify that the front end has been created successfully before moving on. Next, implement secure authentication for your app. Start by generating a user model with password hashing. Enter the command Claude Code -file sr2/models/user.js-task. Create user model with password hashing using bcrypt and role field. This step ensures that user passwords are securely stored. Afterward, create secure login and registration routes by executing Claude Code -file sard/backend/auth.js-task. Create secure login and register routes with JWT30K to protect your routes. Add middleware for JEE for JEE. Bishipan by using the commands Claude Code -file sards middleware/auth middleware.js-task. Add JEE verification and role-based access. This middleware will verify user tokens and ensure that only authorized users can access certain routes. After running these commands, confirm that the necessary files have been generated correctly. Now, focus on encrypting sensitive data. Use the command Claude Code -file sigutils/encrypt.js-task. Generate functions to encrypt/decrypt sensitive financial data using AS256. This step is crucial for protecting passwords, account numbers, and transaction details. Always remember to store encryption keys in environment variables and avoid hard coding secrets directly into your source code. Next, add transaction login to ensure that every financial action is recorded. Run the command Claude Code -file srt/backend/middleware/logger.js-task. Generate secure transaction login middleware with timestamps and user info. This middleware will help you track transactions and user activities. Confirm that the login middleware has been created successfully before proceeding. It is vital to validate and sanitize all inputs to prevent fraud and injection attacks. Execute the command Claude Code -file sci-text-task. Add input validation and sanitization for all endpoints to ensure that all backend routes are secure. Additionally, run Claude Code -file srsid/frontend/forms.js-task. Sanitize user inputs before sending to backend to secure user inputs on the front end. Check that these validations are implemented correctly. Automating is essential for maintaining the reliability of your fintech application. Generate unit tests for the backend by running Claude Code -file tests/backend.test.js-task. Generate unit tests for account and transaction modules. For front-end testing, use Claude Code -file tests/frontend.test.js-task. Generate integration tests for forms and dashboards. This will help ensure that your application functions as expected. Implement continuous integration and continuous deployment practices to run tests automatically on each code push. Finally, focus on compliance and documentation. Generate API documentation by executing Claude Code -file docs/API documentation task. Generate API documentation for fintech app with endpoint details and security. Additionally, create a Claude Code -file docs/compliance.ma-task generates compliance checklist for data security and privacy. This documenting will be critical to deploy your application efficiently. Generate the necessary configuration files by running Claude Code -task. Generate Dockerfile and docker-compose.yml for fintech app. This will streamline your deployment process. Also, create a GitHub Actions workflow for building, testing, and deploying your application securely by executing Claude Code -task. Generate GitHub Actions workflow to build, test, and deploy fintech apps securely. Lastly, generate monitoring scripts with Claude Code -task. Generate monitoring scripts for logging errors and suspicious transactions to keep track of application performance and security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.